In this video, I'll be showing how to check if all the jams have been switched on in the frames. This is mainly because when you insert the frames into the walls in the cells model, they usually come in with intermediate verticals on both sides. Now, if that frame is at the end of each wall, one of those verticals will have to change into a jam. In order to do that, you have to go to the cells model, and I think the easiest way to do it is going to the floor plan of any level that you're checking on. And so this one will be checking level 1, and just just go to a wall like this one and check the ends if the jams have been turned on like this. It's an invisio jam, and then check the other end of the wall, and then there you go. It's another invisio jam. And so you have to do that per wall, and sometimes it's time consuming, and I wish there's an easier way to do that. But as of right now, all we have is to visually check it manually. And that's how you check if all the jams have been switched on in the frame.